are the experts predicting for home values in 2023? As a potential seller thinking about selling in the upcoming year, what are the predictions for home prices? Hi, I'm Janet Bunting with Janet Bunting Team Properties at Palmetto Coastal Homes. As we're coming to a close of 2022, what are the experts forecasting for next year? Will it still be a good time to sell? The answer is yes. On average, forecasters are predicting home prices to continue to appreciate 2.5% in 2023. Now, that may not be as high as the last few years when the market was seeing skyrocketing home prices, but it is good news to homeowners who have been led to believe that their home will lose substantial value. So why is this? According to the experts, two things are causing home prices to continue to tick upward next year. An undersupply of homes on the market, supply and demand, which still has us in a seller's market, and millennials are now moving into their home buying peak years. Millennials continue to be one of our largest demographics of home buyers. Experts are also predicting a stronger spring market in 2023, with interest rates coming slightly down and buyers who have been sitting on the sidelines jumping back into the market. Of course, keep in mind, these are all predictions, and it is best to consult your agent for local market conditions at the time you list. As always, please feel free to reach out to us if you're thinking of selling, and we can put together a comprehensive listing marketing plan for you. Let me help you discover your coastal lifestyle.